Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change and customize the watch faces on Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So here is my Galaxy Watch Ultra and this is now my watch face, but if I want to change it, it is very easy. Just push it long on the screen and here tap on the plus sign. And from here you can choose your favorite one. We have some new watch faces for Galaxy Watch Ultra and also a lot of old watch faces. Just choose your favorite one. I will choose a new one and then tap on it and tap again, and that's all. This is now my new watch face. Now to customize, just push it long again on the screen and here tap customize. And if you swipe to the right, you will see what you can customize. Here we have the background, and also you can customize the clock font, the complication color, the complication, and again the complication. Now let's go to the first one. Here we have the background. To change the background, just put your finger here and move it down or up and choose your favorite color. I will choose, for example, this blue. And now swipe to the right, and from here you can change the clock font. Again, move your finger and choose your favorite clock font. I like this one. Now let's go to the next one. Swipe again, and here you can change the complication color. Again, with your finger, choose your favorite color. I will choose this green one. Now I will swipe again to the right, and from here you can change the complications. Here I have the steps, but you can change it, for example, with steps this week. And also here, for example, I have the heart rate, and you can change it with whatever you want. I will choose, for example, energy score. And now let's go to the last one. And here also we have some complications. Here is the UV index. In the left we have a chance of rain, and here I have the sun rays sunset. I will leave it like that. I don't want to change this complication. And now to exit, just press again the back button, and to set this new watch face, tap on it, and that's all. This is now my new watch face, my custom made watch face. So in my opinion, it is very easy to change it and customize. We have some new watch faces for Galaxy Watch Ultra. You can tell me your opinion about these new watch faces, if you like it or don't. Okay, and this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.